Manually researching prospects, that's like Batman flipping through yellow pages, slow, outdated, and painfully 1995. Why waste hours stalking LinkedIn like a desperate intern when AI tools can do it faster than Flash after 5 espressos? Use Clay. It pulls job titles, company updates, podcasts, tweets, all Sherlock-level stuff done in seconds. Pair with Phantom Buster. It auto-visits profiles, grabs data, even leaves digital breadcrumbs. Need to build a website after? Hop on Moksy.ai, a free site builder that works while you sleep, faster than Tony Stark in a prototype suit. Even Superman doesn't waste time. Why should you? Still digging through Google like it's 2005? Upgrade to AI. Research smarter, not harder. Smash that subscribe, or let Spider-Man send your leads into the void.